Hello, everyone. Welcome to the Medic World Study with Dr. Mahi. Today, we will learn Gustilo Anderson Classification for open fractures, which is the most widely accepted classification system for open or compound fracture. Let's start our discussion. According to the Gustilo Anderson Classification, open fractures can be classified as type 1, 2, 3A, 3B, and 3C. First of all, discuss the lengths of each wound. Type 1 is the simplest one, that is the puncture wound less than 1 centimeters. Type 2 is the lacerated wound which is more than 1 centimeters and less than 10 centimeters. And type 3 are all the more than 10 centimeters lacerated wounds. Now, other characteristics of these types. Type 1 is the simplest one with minimal contamination and minimal soft tissue damage. In type 1, we have to learn only the length and nothing else. Okay? Everything is minimal. And in type 2, there is moderate soft tissue damage, bone cover is adequate, and minimal comminution. Okay, now type 3. Type 3 is slightly complicated one. It's not so tough. Let's study one by one. Type 3A, 3B, and 3C. We will study it with the help of buzzwords. In type 3A, we have to see this line extensive soft tissue damage. Yes, all the things are coverage is adequate. Segmental and severely comminuted fracture, heavily contaminated wound. All these things are present in type 3B too. But in type 3B, we have periosteal stripping and bone exposure. In type 3C, there is any open fracture with vascular injury requiring repair. So these are the buzzwords. Let's discuss a direct one-liner which came from the same topic in AIMS 2017. The question was Gustilo Anderson Classification Type 3B is. Okay, the first option was open fracture wound more than 1 centimeters and less than 10 centimeters. It can't be the answer because more than 1 centimeter and less than 10 centimeters is type 2. We already know. Next option is wound less than 1 centimeters. It can't be the answer. It's type 1. So the third option is more than 10 centimeters. It can be the answer with extensive soft tissue loss and periosteal stripping and bone damage. It is type 3B. Let's confirm it by seeing the last option. Wound more than 10 centimeters but with an arterial injury. Arterial injury means it is type 3C. So it can't be the answer. So the correct answer is option C, that is wound more than 10 centimeters with extensive soft tissue loss and periosteal stripping and bone damage. So this topic is most important for the exams because a direct one-liner came in many of the exams. With the one example I have given you. Okay, thank you so much. For any queries, you can contact me on the email address displayed on the screen. And if you want the PDF of these classes, then please mail me on the email address. Thank you.